AppSumo launched 11 new deals this week. Answerly is back. This is an AI chatbot for your website. Brilliant Directories is also back. You can use this to create membership websites. And next we have Grower. This is an AI tool to optimize your marketing campaigns. Jamy is pretty unique. You can transcribe your phone calls and video meetings. Live2AI is a tool that creates shoppable videos for e-commerce. And we have Lykoza, which is a LinkedIn automation platform. And MailBluster is a cold email platform. Orchestra is pretty interesting. This is a white label portal for agencies. And we have QuickReel, which can turn your long form videos into shorts. And Unifier is back. This can repurpose your content into other formats. And lastly, we have Upcoach. So this is a course builder for coaches. I put all of these in my must-have SaaS tools for digital entrepreneurs Notion spreadsheet, which you can grab for free by clicking the link in my description. I update this doc every single week with the best tools I find online, so you'll definitely want to bookmark this for later. Now, if you click on the second link in my description, you can access my personal AppSumo Vault, which includes some of my most favorite AppSumo deals you can purchase right now, including some of my most popular YouTube videos you can watch right here. And the link below is the only place you can find my AppSumo Vault. Now, if you want to see my personal rankings of the 11 new AppSumo deals that launched this week from best to worst, I put that down in the description as well. Answerly is an AI chatbot tool for websites, okay? So if you want to help customers get instant answers anytime, what's cool is that it uses your own documents, pictures, and other information to reply instantly to customers, so you don't have to do it yourself. Answerly is back on AppSumo, and it currently has 83 reviews. You can grab license tier 1 for $69, and you can grab up to tier 5 for $529, where you get unlimited almost everything. With tier 5, you also get white labeling as well. The most important thing for me would be the training datasets. So the higher, the better. Brilliant Directories is a membership website builder. So if you want to create a site where people can sign up, share posts with others, and pay for special content, it has easy to use tools for managing members, posting updates, and earning money online, so you can run everything in one place without needing to know how to code. This deal ends in just 5 days, and it has close to 1,000 reviews, so you can grab license tier 1 for $89 up to tier 6 for $700. Now, if you want all of the features for this deal, you would need to get tier 5 or tier 6. Grower AI is an all-in-one AI marketing platform. So if you are a marketer who wants to easily manage all of your ad campaigns and budgets in one place, this tool has smart tools for tracking, planning, and improving your ads, so you can get better results without using a bunch of other different apps. This is currently a Plus exclusive, and early access ends in a little over 4 days. After early access, it'll be available to the general public, but right now you can grab license tier 1 for $69 up to tier 3 for $429. Now keep in mind that Plus members get 10% off, so the prices you see here will be a little less. So if you want this tool at the lowest cost, I highly recommend grabbing Plus before grabbing this deal. Jamy is an AI meeting transcription tool. So if you are a student or a team leader who wants to remember what was said in meetings or calls, it has automatic note-taking, summaries, and action item tracking, so you can easily review and share important decisions without writing everything down yourself. Jamy starts at $69 for license tier 1, and you can grab tier 5 for $700. And if you want to unlock all of the features, you would need to max stack for tier 5. Live2AI is an interactive, shoppable video platform. So if you are an online store owner who wants to get more people to buy from your website, it has tools to add clickable products and fun features to your videos so you can keep shoppers interested and of course make more sales. This is currently on sale for $59 for license tier 1, and you can grab up to tier 5 for $700. Now if you want to add your own custom logo, then you would need to get tier 3 or higher. But it's nice that there will be no live to AI watermark even for license tier 1. Lykoza is a LinkedIn lead generation platform. So if you are a marketer who wants to find and connect with new prospects more easily, it has AI-powered automation, so you can send messages, track replies, and grow your network without doing everything by hand. You can grab the Lykoza lifetime deal for $59 for license tier 1, and the highest tier is 5 for $650. I like this deal because you do get all of the features, but if you want agency accounts, you would need to get tier 3 or higher. MailBluster is an email marketing tool. So if you want to send lots of personalized emails and make sure they reach your customers' inboxes, it has easy to use templates, unlimited contact management, and real-time tracking, so you can create great emails, organize your contacts, and even see how well your messages are doing. MailBluster starts at $59 for tier 1 and $300 for tier 3. Keep in mind that even though it says lifetime access, the emails that you can send out are only one time, but they don't expire. Orchestra is an agency management software. Now, I think this tool looks really cool. So if you are a freelancer or of course an agency who wants to easily manage client tasks, payments, and communication all in one place, it has features like a customizable client portal, payment tracking, and project management, so you can keep your work organized and save time. Orchestra starts at $69 for license tier 1, and you can grab tier 4 for close to $800. Now, I don't like how they really limit you for license tier 1. I really think if you want to use this tool at its fullest, then you would need to get tier 3 or tier 4. QuickReel is an AI video editing tool. Now, they claim to be the #1 AI clipping tool. Now, I recently created a full QuickReel review, and I'll link that in the description below. So if you are a content creator who wants to quickly turn your long form videos into short, fun clips for TikTok or Instagram, it has automatic editing, automatic captions, and you can add cool effects to your videos so you can make videos really fast. This is a brand new deal on AppSumo, and you can grab this for $69 for license tier 1, and you can grab up to tier 6 for a whopping $1,000. Now, when deciding on which tier to get, you should really focus on the max file upload size and the AI subtitle style options, the virality score, and the AI B-roll, because you might be limited depending on which tier you get, as you could see right here. Unifier.ai is an AI content repurposing platform. This kind of reminds me of Alphana and Cast Magic. So if you are a content creator who wants to save time by turning one article, video, or podcast into lots of different posts for social media, even for newsletters and blogs, it has tools like transcription, templates, and easy editing, so you can quickly reuse your work in over 30 formats. Unifier is back, and it starts at $59. And for this time, they are launching a brand new plan, which is license tier 4 for $530. Now, regardless of which tier you get, you will get access to all of the features, but tier 4 gives you most of the limits. Upcoach is an all-in-one online coaching platform. So if you are a coach or even a teacher who wants to create and sell courses, manage assignments, and help students stay on track, it has tools like drag and drop course building, even payment options, and progress tracking, so you can easily teach and earn money in one place. The Upcoach starts at $99 for license tier 1, and you can grab tier tier 3 for $600. Now keep in mind that this is not a lifetime deal, but it's only 1 year of access. Another thing to note is that for the optional add-ons, they are selling them. So it's $99 per month for each additional seat and $99 per month for 100 additional clients. Now I went through all of these deals in alphabetical order, but if you want to see my personal rankings of which tools are catching my eye, check the description below to see my personal rankings.